Now we all know that we love Jimnys on this channel, and this is one of Christian's projects. It's actually coming up for sale as well, which completely saddens me, and he's always working on it no matter what's happening. Now, yeah, it doesn't look like your standard Jimny you bought off the forecourt back in 2005. It's got a 3-inch lift on the body, 4-inch on the struts. It's running a 1.3 VVT engine, and what would you say performance is like, Christian?
Yeah, it's got a 1 litre transfer box, so it's a lot shorter ratio off-road. But the transfer box itself can take over 400 horsepower.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so when taking it off-road, it's impossible to break the transfer.
That is saying something. It's also got things like this Snorkel on, and I like the colour. And look, I've always wondered what these are for. Christian explained that basically when you're off-road, they push shrubs and that away.
It's so you don't break the window.
Breaker 19.
If you have a look in the glove box, the remote controls are left of the winch.
I've also got a remote for the... We'll be doing a full review on this sometime in the future, and that's if Christian doesn't sell it and we don't want him to. Because I'd really like to see what it's like off-road. I don't think this is what Suzuki envisaged when they came out with the Jimny. This is a beast. That's ridiculous. If you like your Jimnys and your Suzukis, well, and this has a 1.6 Vitara engine in it, and it's just as radical. Side exit exhaust as well. We've also got some exciting news coming, but we're not going to announce until it's fully all carved in stone.